Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite image to video WAN 2.1 workflows. This utilizes Sage Attention and Tcash as well, so you can run this on pretty low VRAM and get decent results. What you see on the screen there was just something I was testing out. So the base image is something I created in Flux Krea with my 90s vibe LoRA that's available on Patreon, so you can get that kind of realistic vintage film look. And then just created a little looping video there. This was just one take. I haven't cherry picked anything. You know me, no cherry picking. So this is what I got on my first try. Now this workflow is available on my Patreon, but I did not create it. This is the original creator. I will have that linked in the description. So shout out to you. I love this workflow, man. It's really fun. Okay, cool. So what we're gonna do is create an image in Flux Krea. It's going to create the video loop, and then it's going to upscale it as well. Now this workflow does also include 720p upscaling with 60 frames per second just over here, but I have that bypassed for now. I just want to make this just a quick little video just to show you one of my favorite workflows and kind of how I play around with creating realistic videos from Flux Krea. So let's go over to the Flux Krea tab. So there's that image you saw earlier. This isn't a complicated workflow. This is just a really basic Flux Krea. I added some LoRa's onto it. So nothing too crazy here, nothing you haven't seen. We've got this with my LoRa embedded, the 90s vibe photo, a woman standing on a summer day holding a yellow flower next to her face, the wind, ooh, typo, haha. The wind gently blows her blonde hair. Okay, let's generate our next image. So we're just gonna be doing this live, no cherry picking. You can see exactly what I do. So let's start that now. Okay, we've got our next picture here to generate a video. I really like the way this turned out. It's intentionally made to look like a photograph as opposed to a digital photograph. So that's the benefit of that LoRa. If you don't like the look, we can remove it and do something else, but that's what we're gonna run with for now. So let's copy that image. All right, we've got that pasted in. Looks good. A blonde woman standing in the wind, smelling a yellow flower. So it's a little different than our last one. So let's just say, okay, let's try that. And let's make a gentle wind so it doesn't blow her away. Okay. So let's get that going. Okay, let's start it up. Just give you a look at my stats here and how it's going while it runs. So you can see it is using about 42 gigabytes of system RAM, not fully utilizing my 5090 though, only using about 28 gigs there. And let's see what kind of speeds we're getting. All right, that's looking good. That's Sage Attention and Tcash really helping out. Okay, we got our final output here. I did have to switch samplers, sorry about that, but that looks pretty good considering how quick that generated. Now, this is a workflow that could be used on a lot of systems. If you play with it a little bit more, you know, switch around your samplers, your steps, things like that, you're gonna be able to get some pretty crazy results out of this. But it's a great little workflow for experimenting and being able to generate video very fast without having a crazy video card or some kind of, you know, enterprise level setup. So let me know what you think. You can grab all of this on my Patreon. I'll put the original creator's link in the description as well. Yeah, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Have a good one.